Hey, how's it going? This is Mr. Bob, the People's Black Belt. And this is episode 2 of Breaking Down the Basics. So in this episode, what I'm going to break down is the side snap kick. Now, similar to the front snap kick or the front kick, I usually go with a 4 count on this one. Now, the reason why, same thing for the front kick and front snap kick, is I want to make sure I stay out of range for their punches. Now, if I can kick, they can kick also. So I have to worry about both of their legs. Now, if I'm doing my side snap kick and not doing the 4 count and I'm landing forward too much, they have double the weapons against me. Now they can hit me with their hands and they can hit me with their feet. So I'm going to try and keep myself or my students out of that situation by hitting the 4 count on the side snap kick. All right, let me show you. So what we're looking to do is stay out of their range. So when I'm kicking, I don't want to kick and land forward. See how I started here? And after the kick, I landed forward. And now I'm landing 6 to 8 inches closer to them, putting me in the range of their punches. So I want to stay in the range on that, just to keep myself safe and not have to worry about double the weapons. So I'm here, I pick it up, I chamber, I extend, retract, and put it right back where I found it. All right, so it's chamber, extend, retract, put my foot down. Now, this is a teaching element. Can it be done faster? Yes. It could be done a lot faster. Can it be done more powerful? Yes. I'm not looking for that right now. I'm just looking to get the basic down. If I can hit this kick with a 4 count consistently, then I can start working on my speed. Then I can start working on my power. But I'm not going to do that until I can get the basic part of this down. Like I said, this is how I teach it at my school. So I'm here, chamber, extend, retract, put it down where I found it. And I'm still in the same range after throwing the kick. I hit the kick, fantastic. I miss it, I'm still in the same range I was when I started. And I'm not in any more trouble than I already was. All right. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed episode 2. Please like the video, share, and if you get a chance, subscribe. Thank you very much.